GM guys, and welcome back to another video episode with the Bit Lounge. And today I just want to track our trades. Remember, I've been on this trade for a long time and it's currently playing out. We finally broke 100K at Bitcoin and also Ethereum. It's just getting started. So before we get into any content, I would love to do our quick disclaimer. None of this content, it's a financial advice. You must do your own market research. With that in place, let's move straight away to the BTC price. It's finally very interesting. If you haven't seen the previous video, go on and watch. It's very transparent there. I would add a stop loss, and this is exactly what I'm doing now. Bitcoin's breaking out. If we move to the daily, still on a breakout, but as I'm more based this time on the 4 hourly time frame, I can see that the exhaustion will start a little bit to accumulate on the 4 hourly time frame. So I moved my stop loss all the way to 102.242. Okay. If you really look here around the other side, we would cross and then drop a little bit. So I am considering exiting this trade and open a new one around the 200 EMA line. Okay. So I just left my stop loss there. And right now I'm just going to watch if we do go a little bit higher, which I think we're likely to close at 110. Fine, I will just close there. Otherwise, I'm exiting anyways, okay? As long as you manage to enter and leave on the right time, it's all good. With Ethereum, it's a little bit different, okay? Ethereum is still on a better scenario at the moment as I entered ETH a little bit late. I mentioned that also on the previous video. But right now, I left my stop loss at 3,302. Okay, so however, what happens to Ethereum, I'm not touching it. I will just let it place. But if we go back there, I will exit this position and potentially open a new one. But I still believe Ethereum got a little bit way to go. Okay, at least to retest this previous top here, 3,800. And again, this is a massive support. So we need to break out from this level on it. And it could go potentially to 4,000. But however, I just want to leave my stop loss like this in case both scenarios play out, okay? Um, Long-term token, of course, is just a matter of time that Bitcoin and Ethereum will dominate the entire world. You see in every single news everywhere that our economy is currently very bad. So we need these currencies to save the current system. But by the way, I'm not going into any article or any news today. I just want to be transparent and show my positions, and I'm not going into any exchange. But if you want to trade, you can come here, and the link is down below for Fimex. I do trade sometimes in different exchanges, but that's not the case today. The reason why I don't really show much exchanges is just because I'm not sponsored by any exchange. So, anyways, but personally, I really like Fimex and Mex Global. Sometimes I trade on Binance. It really depends. As long as you don't get lost and do one thing that really works for you. Don't worry with the lady on the red dress, okay? Um, it's a lot going on. Altcoins, I'm more on the long term this time because I'm running multiple things and multiple businesses. So I like to trade when it's comfortable for me, when it works for me, like 4 hourly to the daily. I just let the trade run. That's all I do. I don't have to babysit my trades. But yeah, today's cryptocurrency prices by market cap, the global crypto market cap is currently at 3.66 trillion, a 4.12% increase over the last day. And people are it's time to leave the neutral momentum to be greedy. So I believe Bitcoin could definitely go to 110, 120. And as I mentioned, okay, if we go to the daily, we could potentially break out once more. But just in case, I'm going to leave my stop loss out there because I just want to exit with my profit. And that's all I want. Okay, on a trading side. Okay, on long-term side, I would do whatever I have to do to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so let's say we could potentially go all the way up to 110 from here. You never know. I'm willing to wait, but just in case I got my stop loss, either way, I'm taking my next positions. I will definitely enter the next trade. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram, comment, like, and share, and follow me if you want to be part of my community. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys on the next update. Have fun. Crypto is looking good.